All right, your next witness, Mr. Lally.
Yes, Your Honor. The Commonwealth calls Sergeant Brian Gallerani to the stand.
You tell me the evidence of the court during the case now here to the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Whenever you're ready, Mr. Lally.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good
You are
afternoon.
unmuted.
Afternoon.
Could you please state your name and spell your last name for the jury?
Brian Gallerani, Gallerani.
And what do you do for work, sir?
I'm currently employed as a sergeant for the Needham Police Department.
And how long in total have you been a member of the Needham Police Department?
I graduated the academy January of 2006,
And how long have you held the rank of sergeant?
just under a year.
Now, prior to you holding the rank of sergeant, what was it that you did within the Needham Police Department?
I was a detective from September of 2014 to June of 2023.
Now, over the course of your work as a detective and sergeant with the Needham Police Department, what, if any, training have you received in regard to collection of biological samples?
As part of the sexual assault class I took in January of 2015, I was certified in DNA collection by the Mass State Police.
And can you explain a little bit to the jury about sort of what that certification process entailed or what it was that you did to become certified?
So I was specifically certified in buccal swabs, which is the process of collecting cells suitable for DNA comparison by swabbing inside of a person's cheek.
And that certification, is that up to date at this point?
Yes,
Now, at some point on January 16th, 2024, did you have occasion to collect buccal swabs or samples in relation to this case?
I did.
And fair to say, as far as your work with the Needham Police Department, you had no familiarity or work with the investigation on a Camden Police Department case
Correct.
or on a state police case involving the incidents that occurred in the town?
Correct.
You didn't know any of the parties involved in the case?
I did not.
And so on January 16th, 2024, where did you go on that day?
I went to Norfolk District Attorney's Office in Canton.
And who, if anyone, did you meet with, or who, if anyone, did you collect samples from on that day?
I collected samples from Sergeant Buchanan and Trooper Proctor.
And can you explain to the jury just briefly as far as the process of your collection, as far as what physically did you do?
So I physically swabbed the inside of their mouths with a cotton swab and collected the evidence, sealed it up in a buccal swab kit, photographed it, and brought it back to the police department.
And when you brought it back to the police department, what did you do with it then?
I entered into the evidence.
And did you do that in conformity, well, the collection and the securing of the item, did you do that in conformity with your training and certification on buccal swab collection?
I did.
Now, with reference to those items, at some point were you informed that those items were to be transported to a voting technology lab in Lorton, Virginia?
I was.
And were there specific instructions as far as shipping was concerned that were provided by the voting technology lab?
Yes.
And the shipping that occurred in this case, was that in conformity with what Bodie had provided as far as the policies or protocols for shipping those types of materials?
It was.
Thank you, sir. I have nothing further.
Anything?
We have no questions.
All right, you're all set, Sergeant.
Thank you.
very
Have a good
much.
day.
Next witness.
Yes, Your Honor. The Commonwealth call Mr. Nicholas Bradford to the stand.